Hi everyone! To celebrate Easter, we will show you a fun Easter egg painting activity. For this activity, all you'll need is a cardboard cut and shaped into an Easter egg, pom-poms, paint, and pegs to use to hold your pom-poms. What colors do you have there?
Red. No. Blue. Let's start.
For the fun and messy part, ask your child to start decorating their Easter eggs using the pom-poms and paint provided.
What?
Go on!
Play again.
So what are we making, Manaya? What's this?
Let's make it.
You've got yellow there. Do you know what colour this is?
Red.
Orange.
Orange.
Good job.
Haha.
Wow, what are you doing?
I'm making.
You know what it looks like? It looks like you're making a big, gigantic egg.
What's that?
Yeah. What's coming up?
Blue.
Is Easter coming up?
Don't worry if your child does not use props as planned. Encourage their exploration and imagination, as you never know what masterpiece they will create.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Bon, on it.